Hey guys, can you solve this 4 divided by 2 squared minus 5 squared divided by 5 times 3 squared divided by 3? This is a very interesting question. Let's solve this step by step. 4 divided by 2 squared. 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4, right? 4. So 4 divided by 4 minus 5 squared divided by 5 times 3 squared divided by 3. Now 4 divided by 4 minus 5 squared means 5 times 5 equals 25, right? So 25 divided by 5 times 3 squared divided by 3. Now 4 divided by 4 minus 25 divided by 5 times 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9, right? 9 divided by 3. Now division and multiplication from left to right. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1 minus 25 divided by 5 multiply, right? Sorry, multiply 9 divided by 3. Now 1 minus 25 divided by 5 equals 5 times 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now 1 minus 5 equals minus 4 times 3, and minus 4 times 3 equals minus 12. But this is wrong. Why? Because after exponent multiplication first, right? Then subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. So now let's solve this again. Okay. 4 divided by 2 squared means 4, right? Minus 5 squared means 25 divided by 5. Multiply 3 squared means 9 divided by 3, right? Now 4 divided by 4 equals 1 minus 25 divided by 5 equals 5 times 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now multiply first, right? So 1 minus 5 times 3 equals 15, and 1 minus 15 equals minus 14.